As an accounting software expert, one of the most common questions I encounter from small business owners, freelancers, and entrepreneurs is about the availability of desktop versions for popular accounting solutions. In the rapidly evolving world of business technology, understanding the fundamental architecture of your software is crucial for making informed decisions. Today, we're going to dive deep into FreshBooks and address the question, does FreshBooks have a desktop version? To cut straight to the chase, no, FreshBooks does not have a traditional desktop version that you install directly onto your computer's hard drive. This might come as a surprise to some, especially those accustomed to older accounting software like QuickBooks Desktop. However, it's a deliberate design choice that aligns FreshBooks with the modern paradigm of cloud-based software. Let's break down what that means for you and your business. The cloud advantage. Why FreshBooks lives online. When we talk about cloud-based software, we're referring to applications that run on remote servers and are accessed via the internet, typically through a web browser. Instead of being installed on your local machine, the software and all your data reside in the cloud, a vast network of servers maintained by the software provider. FreshBooks is a prime example of this model. Here's why this approach is beneficial and why FreshBooks has opted for it. Accessibility from anywhere, anytime. This is perhaps the biggest advantage. With FreshBooks, you're not tied to a single computer. Whether you're at your office desk, working from a coffee shop, or traveling internationally, you can access your FreshBooks account simply by logging in through a web browser on any internet-connected device. This flexibility is invaluable for modern businesses and individuals who are constantly on the go. Automatic updates. Forget about manually downloading and installing software updates. FreshBooks handles all updates automatically in the background. This means you always have access to the latest features, security patches, and compliance updates without any effort on your part. It saves you time, reduces technical headaches, and ensures you're always working with the most current version of the software. Real-time data synchronization. Because your data lives in the cloud, it's always up to date across all your devices. If you create an invoice on your laptop, it will instantly appear on your tablet or smartphone. This real-time synchronization is essential for accurate financial reporting and collaboration, especially if you have team members or an accountant accessing the same data. Enhanced data security and backups. Reputable cloud software providers like FreshBooks invest heavily in cybersecurity measures and data backup protocols. Your financial data is stored on secure, encrypted servers, often with multiple layers of redundancy. This is typically far more robust and secure than the backup practices of individual users managing desktop software on their own machines. If your computer crashes or is lost, your FreshBooks data remains safe and accessible. Reduced IT overhead. There's no software to install, maintain, or troubleshoot on your local computer. This significantly reduces the need for in-house IT support or external consultants, saving small businesses money and time. Seamless collaboration. Sharing access with your accountant, bookkeeper, or team members is incredibly easy with cloud-based software. You can grant different levels of access, allowing your collaborators to view, enter, or manage specific aspects of your financial data without needing to physically transfer files or share passwords. The desktop experience with FreshBooks. While FreshBooks doesn't have a traditional installable desktop application, it's designed to provide a desktop experience through your web browser. This means the user interface is optimized for larger screens, offering a comprehensive view of your financial data, reports, and invoicing tools. Furthermore, FreshBooks offers robust mobile applications for iOS and Android devices. These apps provide a streamlined experience for common tasks on the go, such as creating and sending invoices. Quickly generate and dispatch professional invoices from your phone, capturing expenses. Snap photos of receipts, categorize them, and easily log your business expenditures. Tracking time. Start and stop timers for projects and clients directly from your mobile device. Communicating with clients. Respond to client questions and feedback directly within the app. Checking business reports. Get quick overviews of your financial health.